Alright, got this neat little foldable pocket drone called the FQ31 from FQ777. So let's check it out. You're going to get an instruction book, a quick start guide, a little thank you card, also a way to contact the manufacturer if you have any problems with the drone. Includes a full set of props, screwdriver, USB charger for our battery, 3.7 volt 350 milliamp hour battery with a 20C rating, about 10-minute flight time, 45 to 60 minute charge. Really nice controller with all the buttons labeled. Requires 3 AAA batteries, not included. Mobile device holder that clips onto the back of the controller. And that's it. Let's get it outside. There's no binding procedure, so we just put our battery in, open up our arms, just like that. They'll lock into place. Turn on our transmitter, and there's a power button right here, so we'll hold it down for a second or two. We'll get a light on the back that starts flashing on our battery. She'll go solid in just a second, letting us know she's ready to go. To start the motors, you just simply raise up on the throttle and bring it back down to stop them. One button takeoff. Works great. A little bit of wind. Let's do the one button land. Oh yeah, it works great. It's back in the air again. Fun flyer for sure. Zippy little drone. You can have a lot of fun with this thing. So, you see it. This is just in flight mode 1. It's flying great. Let's kick it up into flight mode 2. Woo. Let's try flight mode 3. Yeah, look at the pitch change, man. This thing's screaming. Look at that. Keep it away from the house. You know, the only thing I can see wrong with it, there's really nothing wrong with it, is the one little LED light in the back. You know, a lot of people will depend on those lights for orientation, and that's also going to be your low battery alert. So depending on, you know, how aggressive you're flying or how far away you got it, you know, it's not a big deal. I mean, I can understand why they didn't load it up with LEDs. That's a lot of weight, etc., more stuff to break. Awesome flyer. Recommend this to anybody really, a beginner or somebody like me that just likes to have something to fly that they can take with them, fold up, put it in their pocket, have it on the go. I mean, the controller and the drone will fit into your pocket. I mean, you don't even need a bag for them. Now, there's an app available that will allow you to fly this drone with your smartphone. And also give you this version I have is the Wi-Fi FPV version. So you download that app and you can sort of get a live view from that camera that's on the front. I'm not using that right now because honestly, you don't need either one of those things to enjoy this drone. Just get out here and fly. You get a little over 10 minutes on a battery. Let's do the emergency stop. Just make sure that works. Look at that, right out of the sky. All right. That's a great feature. If you ever get into trouble, you just push that button, do our 1-key takeoff. It's flying great. I really am enjoying this drone and I highly recommend it. You just can't go wrong. It's no fuss, no muss. Now everything works on there as described. The headless mode works. I'm not going to try to do that, but I will point out there's a button on here that says 1-key return, and you know it does something. It won't come back to you. It goes off somewhere, so don't push that button. It's no big deal. You know, this isn't a long-range drone. It's, you know, if you run into trouble, push your emergency stop. Fun drone for sure. Works as advertised. I highly recommend it. You're also going to want some extra batteries. I'll be sure to put a link for those in the description. I hope this video has helped. Thanks for watching.